When the collar is fully closed, we have what is called the safety flame. The safety flame is easy to see and won't cause serious injury if contacted briefly. When the collar is opened, we produce the working flame. The working flame can be difficult to see and will cause serious injury, even if contacted briefly. The circle of the loop is positioned at the top of the working flame. You can see how hot it is, because it causes the metal of the loop to glow. Here I am tracing the edge of the outer cone, or secondary flame. It is seen as a darker blue when compared to the inner cone, or primary flame. The inner cone or primary flame is seen as a lighter blue. The inner cone is much hotter, and at the top of the inner cone is the hottest part of the flame. Most of our lab procedures using the flame will use the top of the inner cone. One important procedure is the sterilization of inoculating tools. We begin by holding the wire of the loop in the flame at the top of the inner cone. Start about halfway between the tip of the loop and the start of the handle. Hold until the wire is glowing orange, then slowly move the loop through the flame. Keep the wire at the top of the inner cone, and continue until the circle of the loop is in position. Here is the process repeated. Remove the loop from the flame, but be careful. Even though the wire stops glowing, it is still very hot. If it were to touch you, you would get burned. Once the lab procedures are complete, and you are sure that you won't be using the Bunsen burner again, it can be shut down. Always start the shutdown procedure by closing the collar fully to produce the safety flame. Then proceed to push the gas tap handle back as far as it will go, so that it is at right angles to the spout. Check that both handles are pushed back and that the gas is fully shut off.